to live here. Okay, are we ever glad to see you guys?
Me too.
Things are about to get a lot crazier.
Sorry.
Why in the name of Odin did you bring Dark here? This may be the only chance we have to get rid of it. I saw the Screaming Death's mother. It's been destroying those islands, searching for her. But thing has a mother? Yeah.